I'm Romar Angelo Sunizal and I'm here to discuss abortion. Let us start with the basic concept. Abortion is a medical operation that terminates a pregnancy. It is a deeply personal decision that a woman should make without judgment or coercion, together with her healthcare provider and loved ones. I now realize that a lot of people have strong opinions regarding abortion. Some think it violates the inherent values of life and thus is sinful. A major part of bodily autonomy, according to some, is a woman's freedom to decide what happens to her body. These different views and understanding the variations that influence them are crucial. They understand the significant impact of an unplanned pregnancy can have on woman's life. The truth is that abortion is a delicate topic that affects social viewpoints, deeply held beliefs, and personal values. Abortion is a serious decision that is never made impulsively in the face of circumstances. It's deeply personal and emotional decision that has been carefully planned out. Lack of access to abortion forces women to look for risky alternatives and endangering their lives and health. For many women around the world, this is the reality, and we must work to stop it. Furthermore, limiting access to abortion can restrict women's expert choices, force them to remain in violent marriage, or delay their studies. What can we do to advance difficult problem? First, we must acknowledge everyone's humanity. To comprehend this problem, we must hear another stories. We have established a continuous, compassionate, and fact-based discussion. We must prioritize and ensure the access to contraception and through sexual education. This is the most effective method of preventing unwanted pregnancies and lowering the initial rate of abortion. Therefore, I conclude that abortion should be legalized as per people's must say the reason, which says that is a sin. Abortion must people killing a child from its mother womb.